Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve the lead code problem number 19. Remove nth node from the end of the list. So given head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. So basically we have been given a singly linked list and we are asked to remove the nth node from the end. So for example, in this example 1, we are given a linked list 1 2 3 4 5, and we are asked to remove the second node from the end, which is the 4, right? So 5 is end and 4 is the second node from the end. So we have to remove 4. So we have to basically for the next of the 3 we have to put 5, so 4 we have to remove in that way. So I took the same example here. So how we are going to actually delete the nth node from the end? This is a singly linked list, so basically we don't know how long is the linked list, means what is the exact length of the linked list until we traverse the whole list, right? So but if we don't want to traverse the whole list, like again, means we want to only do it in a one traversal, then how we can do it? So we can actually do it by taking two pointers. Let's take two pointers here for the explanation. So first pointer and second pointer. So first pointer I am taking it in the blue color, and the second pointer I am taking it in the uh, so for first pointer, like I am taking it in a blue color, and second pointer I am taking it in a green color. So what we will do is, let's say, remove second node from the end of the list. So we will traverse the second pointer, which is green pointer, two times, which is the number of nodes we are asked to remove from the end of the list. So it is a 2, right? Second node means 2. So we will start pointer, second pointer, and we will go two distance first, so 1 and 2. So second pointer will reach at node 2, and at that time we will start moving both pointers simultaneously after that. So the second pointer will reach 3, and at the same time the first pointer will point to node 1. So in the next iteration, the second pointer will go to node 4, and the first pointer will point to node 2, because it is going one distance now. Both are 2 apart because we want the second last node, so we have kept that distance of 2. So when the second pointer will go 5, the first pointer will be pointing to node 3, and at the end the second pointer is reached the end actually of the list, which is it will point to the null, right? Because 5 dot next is null. So the second pointer is pointing to the null, and at the same time the first pointer will point to 4, which is the our target node of removal. So this is how we can do in one traverser. We reach the node what we want to remove from the list, which is number 4 is the one that we want to remove. So at that time what we will do is we will just point the previous node to the 4's next node. So we will point 3 to 5, and then we will just return the head. So that's how we will get the new list, which is 1 2 3 and 5. So let's just quickly look into the implementation here. So I also took the same approach, like I created two pointers, first pointer, second pointer, and I also took one node for handling the previous. So I always want to make sure that we have a handle of the previously visited node. So first I will traverse the n times the second node ahead of the first node here. So that's what I explained here. So n node will be at number 3 when the node the first node will be at number 1. So second pointer we will be ahead of the first pointer by number of nodes, that nth n number of nodes, and at that time we will start moving this both pointers simultaneously. So here I am handling a situation where we actually n is length of a list. So if the list has, let's say, 5 elements, and they ask us to remove the fifth element from the end, which means that they ask us to remove the first element of the list. So to handle that scenario, I am just going to point the head to the first pointer next. Otherwise we will be actually moving both the pointers simultaneously. As you can see here, first pointer will go to first pointer dot next, and second pointer will go to second pointer dot next, until the second pointer hit the null node, which means it hits the end of the list. And at that time we will have the first pointer pointing to the node that we want to remove, and we have kept the previous node handy, so we can set the previous nodes next to the first pointer next node, so that we can remove the first pointer node. So that's what we are doing here, and we will just return the head of the linked list. So I took the same example. I took this one is another example, but we can actually take the first example also, and we can run this test case to make sure that it works. So yeah, it is working fine. We are getting the correct result, so we will submit the code. Yeah, so we our code is running 100% faster is the runtime, and 34% faster in the memory usage. So I hope I explained it well enough, and the only thing is to understand here is the it's a two pointer approach. One pointer we are taking ahead the n number of times, because we want to keep, so when we want to keep the distance between first pointer and the second pointer as a n. So when the second pointer reaches end of the linked list, we are on the correct node that we want to remove. So that is mainly the approach to solve this problem. uh, Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video and if it is helpful to you, please consider subscription to my channel, because it will help others also to see the video, and please try to give a like to the video if you like this video. Thank you.